everybody. I am coming to you today on Thursday with a few announcements for next week and also for tomorrow, just as a couple of reminders. For tomorrow, we have our PTO parade that we are doing. So at 2 o'clock, find a spot along the parade route that is find a spot along the parade route that is used with your 4th of July parade in Cannon Falls. Information was also sent out yesterday about remaining at social distance along that route, and also a map of that route from PTO yesterday. So just check on that and make sure that you have that information, or it was from Mrs. Shapee if it wasn't from PTO. That's the first thing. The second thing that I want to talk about is that there will be no Zoom call tomorrow. We have had our Zoom meetings all week, but we will have no Zoom tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. I'll be getting ready for the parade and checking in on your assignments and stuff tomorrow morning. So that's that there. And then let me just give you a little preview of the following week. So we're starting to wind down here with our school work that we are giving and doing. So as you look at this, next week will be May 18th through 22nd. And there have been a couple questions about like device turn-in and when to pick up your stuff. We will get that information to you as soon as we have it available. So just know that that will be coming your way. We have on Monday, when you look in here, we're going to be starting working with measurement and elapsed time, some really great things that you can learn and that you can actually use for math starting next week. So for math, we're talking about time, we're talking about measurement. I think that you'll really enjoy that. And then for our read aloud, we're going to be continuing to read Babe the Pig that we started this week. For plants and animals, you'll be wrapping that up next week. You'll start noticing we're starting to really wrap things up. You'll be also finishing up your figurative language unit, which means then literacy will just be a couple more quick checks to make sure you still remember some things that we learned this year. And then you'll be able to, I'll get you your letters from your classmates once we finish all of them and that kind of thing. With that being said, we do still have letters that we're writing to classmates this entire week, and then a couple more the following week. So please stay strong with those. It's been really fun to see how many of you are writing letters to your classmates. They're really going to love reading them. So continue to keep those kind and be able to give them your appreciation and say what you need to say. Read to self is still very important, as it will be through the summer to continue. If you are doing read to self at home, which you hopefully should be, you could be doing that outside. You could be taking AR tests on them. Make it fun for yourself. You could swing and you could read, whatever you can do at home. If you borrowed any books from me, when we do have you come and bring your device to school and we give you your supplies, when that happens, I would love if you could return my books that I borrowed you, because I gave each of you 3 before you left for break, and I would hate to not get 3 times all 20 of you, 60 books back. So if you can find them at your home, maybe start looking for them now and get them back to me. That would be wonderful. Anyway, next week is pretty normal, but you'll notice by the end of the week, it's starting to kind of lighten up a little bit. So enjoy your time outside. At the end of the week, we do have a really cool STEM menu for you. So it is science, but it's a choice board. And so it is optional, but I think that you would really like a lot of the activities that are on this. If you do something, please post it in the discussion, because I would love to see what you are doing. So happy Friday, Junior, and I hope that all of you are able to come to the parade tomorrow and make sure that you still do your little bit of work that I have for you on here tomorrow. I miss you all, and I will see you in the parade.